everybody. Welcome to my craft room. I'm Shellie Geigle with JS Hobbies and Crafts, and I am so excited to announce that JS Hobbies and Crafts is opening up for 2018 a design team. Right now on the design team is myself, there's Frances Long with Your Book of Memories, and we would like to add one or two more people to this list. The requirements would be once a month you would make a mini album tutorial and launch it on your YouTube. So the headline is Earn Money While You Craft. Hello, CL. Anyway, I've got my kitty coming to check it out too. He's pretty excited. Earn money while you craft. So JS Hobbies and Crafts will be paying $100 US dollars to the design team members who make the video tutorials for the step-by-step tutorials. So upon launching it, they would receive a check or a PayPal transfer for their work in doing so. Also, I want to bring up a very, very important topic. If you are currently on another design team, you need to let me know. That doesn't rule you out completely, but you do need to respect the company of which you are designing for and their rules. So if it's going to create a conflict, then I wouldn't be able to bring you on. If your term is up within the next 30 days or 60 days or so, that is okay. Just so long that you respect the current design team commitment that you are on. So I do need to know that. Matter of fact, I was on the phone. Hi, CL. I was on the phone yesterday with one of my main competitors, and I had never met her before. She's a super nice lady, and I'm so glad that we got to chat and discuss some things. So please, again, keep that in mind so we don't create any conflict. Another thing is you do need to be 18 years or older, and you do need to have a positive YouTube channel. The tutorials I'm looking for are not the ones where you just flip through the book and video, but the ones I am looking for are the step-by-step. So a viewer will go to your channel, they can pick right up there with you and make the mini album that you're designing there. Other than that, I am just so excited. So if you're interested, my email address is below this video in the description area. Send me an email, let me know your name, your shipping address, what country. You'll need to send me the name of your YouTube channel, but also provide a couple links to your mini album tutorials that you've done in the past. Next thing is tell me why you'd like to be on the JS Hobbies and Crafts design team. I'd really like to know. Oh, really quick, I almost forgot. Okay, I'm going to be reviewing everybody's submittals within the next 30 days, and then after I'm done doing that, I will come back on video and I will announce the new designer or designers for JS Hobbies and Crafts. Happy crafting, everybody. See you soon.